Okay, welcome back to the third dev diary for this game. Um, we'll show off a couple of things that I've added. We'll start with the cabin here, I think. So I've added a laptop. We should see that in a second. There we go. So you sort of go into this interface, you'll be able to use the mouse to sort of click through the menus. And there'll be like some logs, there'll be some emails and stuff. You will need to sort of have a connection with the outside world. So that's in the communications hut, I'm calling it, comms hut. Right now it doesn't have power, it doesn't have signal. So here you'll get a clue letting you know that you need to go out and do this. You'll also be able to submit some reports. I think as part of the tasks of the keeper, the Lighthouse keeper, you'll be filling out some reports as part of the gameplay, and that's like reporting back to the headquarters sort of thing. So that's going to be the laptop. Of course, the cabin's going to need power, so it's powered right now. It's got the lights on. We've got the PDA. So you've got objectives to be able to like set which objective you're doing right now. You've got the audio logs, you'll be able to replay them through here, and you'll have a map here as well. So this is one of the audio logs. You'll just pick them up and it'll start playing. So see, now it's in the list, we'll be able to play it. We have the bed in here, you'll be able to go to sleep. That's not in the game yet. We'll go over to the comms hut. So you can see the antenna there off in the distance. Bit of a weenie. So yeah, but yeah, we'll need to power the comms hut as well. So I'll run over here and we'll give it power. So I think it's the third one. There we go. Still need to put in like a proper light in there. I'll probably have like sort of like an emergency light type thing in there. So yeah, there's the comms tower. It's not that far away, but I'm thinking of moving things closer. The comms hut might be a little bit too far out, but kind of want it like that as well. I don't know. Once I test it out with everything in there, then I'll decide. But yeah, so this is sort of the radio puzzle. You sort of see two waves. The blue wave is what you're trying to get to, the green wave is where you are now, and then you sort of adjust it to try to match it. So we see that ours is a bit too big, we'll make it a bit smaller. That's a bit closer. Ours is moving a bit slow, so we'll speed it up a little bit. And then I think it's just the wavelength. Oh yeah, ours is moving too fast. Slow. There we go. So you see, now it's matched, and we sort of press this button and the signal's locked. None of these have sounds yet, so it'll be more exciting with sounds. But yeah, now the laptop has got a connection, it'll be able to send a report, it'll be able to receive email. Basically once a day you'll have to do this, like you'll have to go in and power and do the radio signal thing. Radio signal puzzle, let's call it. In order to get a connection and you send out emails, receive emails, you'll have to do that, like you want to do that once a day sort of thing. So if we go now, it didn't update, but yeah, power on, signal locked, all systems working. I'll probably add some colors to the top right as well, up here, to show that like, oh, it's connected or not. One more thing I'll show is I added some speed adjustment to the Lighthouse. I'm still not happy with how it interfaces. You sort of just click it for now, but let me just show you. So we'll plug the Lighthouse back in. So that's what I added there. Right now it's not moving. So we still have the mechanic of clean the screen, change the light bulb. And then if we go down here, so now it spins. And you'll have to set the right speed. So that's a little bit faster. This is the fastest. There you go. And then we can go back the other way. And it's still again. Cool. So that's what we have in the game so far. Yeah, thanks for watching the update.